I didn't start this as an experiment. I started it because I was tired of watching my strength fade away. Last winter, I bent down to pick up a basket of laundry and couldn't. Not because it was too heavy, but because my knees just refused to listen. That moment scared me. I thought, if this is what getting older means, what happens in 10 years? A friend at my local gym told me, "You need more protein. Try whey and collagen together. It's the secret." He looked amazing for his age. So I bought both, mixed them in a glass, and told myself 30 days. Let's see what happens. At first, I felt hopeful, but then things got strange. By day 5, I was bloated, tired, and foggy. My stomach felt like a balloon, and my joints still ached. I remember thinking, isn't this supposed to make me stronger? That question stayed with me, and it changed how I approached the rest of the experiment. I didn't quit. Instead, I started paying attention. How I mixed it, when I drank it, what I ate before and after. And slowly, I began to notice patterns. When I drank it on an empty stomach, I crashed. When I took it after dinner, I couldn't sleep. But when I had it after a walk or light exercise with a meal, my body actually felt good. So by week 2, I changed everything. I split my shake into 2. Half scoop of collagen in the morning with breakfast, half scoop of whey after a short workout or afternoon walk. I started adding real food, eggs, sardines, bone broth, and I made sure to drink more water. That's when the bloating stopped. My energy came back, and for the first time in years, my hands didn't feel stiff in the morning. By day 14, I could see small changes. My grip was firmer. I was sleeping deeper. Even my face looked less tired. But here's the part no one talks about. When your body starts healing, it's quiet. No fireworks, no magic. Just little improvements that sneak up on you. By day 20, those little improvements added up. I could bend to tie my shoes without that sharp pull behind my knees. Carrying groceries didn't feel like climbing a mountain. My energy was steady, not the buzz from caffeine, but calm focus. And then came the moment I'll never forget. Day 27. I was trimming plants in the backyard, and my grandson ran up asking for a piggyback ride. For the first time in years, I said yes, without thinking twice, and I lifted him easily. It hit me later that night. That's all I wanted. Not a perfect body, just the strength to keep living fully. So, here's what I learned after 30 days. First, collagen and whey can help, but only if your digestion is ready. Warm lemon water before meals, light movement, and avoiding heavy meals at night made a huge difference. Second, don't skip real food. Protein powders are support, not replacements. Eggs, fish, cottage cheese, bone broth, they all make the supplements work better. Third, timing matters. Morning and post-activity are the sweet spots. Your muscles actually use it then. After 30 days, I wasn't just stronger. I felt connected to my body again. It's like it finally trusted me to take care of it. Now, if you're over 50 and feeling weaker, slower, or just off, please don't think it's too late. You don't need to lift heavy or spend a fortune. You just need to rebuild from the inside, gently, patiently, and naturally.
After my 30 days, I wanted to keep going, but I didn't know where to start. That's when I came across the Muscle Revival Blueprint. It gave me a clear daily structure, light movements, senior-friendly meals, and rest days that actually make sense. It felt doable, not overwhelming. If you're looking for something steady to follow, I'll leave the link below. And if you're thinking about supplements, wait until you see this next video. Senior fitness expert reveals the hidden dangers of creatine and BCAA. That one opened my eyes. But let me leave you with this. If your body could whisper one thing right now, what do you think it would ask for? Because that question was the start of everything changing for me.